Okay, good morning. So we're going to look at doing conferences or with me having office hours, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And so on the Schoology page, you're going to go to courses and you're going to go to the course that you are assigned. Here you should see where it says office hours, and you're going to click on office hours. It's going to ask you to join the conversation. So you don't have to download anything. You probably don't already have the app on your computer. So you're going to click join the web instead. When you do this, it is going to show your webcam if you have one on your computer or your um, tablet or your phone. You have the option of turning it off. Uh, that that really isn't a big deal. If you want it turned off, that is totally fine. However, I would like for you to keep your microphone on, just so that if you have questions, then you are more than welcome to ask those questions. If you want to have the video on, that will be great, awesome. But if not, again, it really doesn't matter. So you will click join now. And even though it says someone in the meeting should let you in soon, on my end, I will say admit. And you see that it is, whoops, as you see that it is connecting. Um, and so here it is. There are two people in this conversation right now. It's me and me. Yay! There are a few things that you should be able to do. There is a chat button over here. So if for some odd reason, if you would rather type your questions or check in, you can do it there. On my end, it will tell me, hey, you have a person that said something. And so I will and then I can reply back to you. Um, Again, if you want to use the camera, that's fine. If for some odd reason you need to leave or you need to talk to someone, click mute so that we don't all hear what you're saying. There are other things that you are able to do, and you can do that as you see fit. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I'm more willing to help you. Thank you.